Hi there, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to go over pretty much this skincare journey that I had over 2020 and a little bit of 2021. Actually, it's kind of going to be like a year, maybe March to March. And some things that I noticed when I was digging through some old photos and some old videos to do some updates and things, and things that I had found that were like literally OMG, I can't believe it. Starting with this image right here, as you can see that my skin has, well, it's good, and I was really concentrating on building plumpness. It has some crepiness under the neck and some discoloration and a little bit of roughness in the overall skin texture that you can kind of see on my lower cheek and around my mouth. And this was something that I saw in a video, and then I saw this one from later in the year, probably around December, where I really noticed my skin was so much brighter and smoother, and what really caught me is that my neck area is so much smoother and there are less lines and less crepiness. Unless you think I photoshopped something, here are the actual video clips that I was looking at from videos, and you can see the difference in my skin, in the texture and the tone and the lines. And here are the two photos back to back. On the left is the after, and on the right is the before. And you can see that while I really did maintain some good plumpness and cushion in my skin, there's discoloration, there's definite crepiness and lines and some wrinkles. And so I'm going to go over pretty much what the regimen was that I followed throughout the year. Basically, it's very much the products that I've already talked about, but I am going to go over a couple of special things that I've done. Not professional treatments, just DIY, things you can do at home, because really that's what we were dealing with all last year. So my general weekly skincare is very simple. It's I use the enzyme mask or the selfie mask once a week just to refine and get off old cells. And then I use my Sculptra products at least 2 to 3 times weekly. I use my Neogenesis booster and skin serum about 3 times weekly. And then I use my recovery after microneedling or anytime I need it. I use my Pepta cream and my vitamin C every day. I mix them together or I layer them. Or I use the MGF Renewal Serum, which is the newer serum out, which has some of the PLLA and, the snail filtrate and those groovy ingredients. I really like that serum. I use my devices a couple times a week with the TMP on the multi-flashing and the red light setting, and the mini as needed to do up extra sculpting. And then I also use the brightening ampoule on the microneedle pen. I use my Hydrovelva masks, and I also do my monthly microneedling deep. So if you'd like to know the one thing that I really find for best results is to be consistent, do your monthly and weekly treatments, and use your excellent skincare daily. And anything that's not really working for you, use it on your hands or your feet or something, or just get rid of it. And then once a year, do your really professional treatments. And I would suggest these are the microcurrent treatments, laser treatments for resurfacing, and then you can keep those results going at home by just choosing whichever DIY tool will really help build upon your pro-level treatments. It just takes a little bit of commitment each week and each month to do this. So if you'd like any more tips or simple protocols or personalized programs, or have questions about any of the products or devices, just contact me at my site at Ageless Beauty Pro. Thanks for watching.